Hi, this is 24K. Chris on Twitter and Instagram, also 24K on Instagram. This is the Star Wars Kano kit. You learn the ways of the Force. This is the Force coding kit. Little characters there. So basically you're building this hand gesture unit. It requires a tablet or computer, but you learn to code and then you put the piece together and you can play different games and move things and basically interact with the characters, ships, and a whole lot more. And then we're going to get back to the actual pieces. It's cool that they give you some stickers. All of us like stickers, so there's a sticker pack. But then you build this, physically build it, and then you program it, put it all together, and you make this really cool Force gesture pad. And the coding is very easy. It looks like just building blocks right there. And then you can play with characters and ships and all kinds of cool stuff. So this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.